Hey, so we are at our flip house in Shelbyville. A lot's happened since we were last there. Why don't we go on in and take a look at stuff? So not a lot on the first floor has changed since we were last here. Everything's been painted. One thing, we have all of our appliances ready to go here, the dishwasher, the stove, and the range hood. And these days with supply chain issues, we got to order stuff early and store it on site, where it used to be we could just buy it as we needed it. But now we got to plan ahead a lot more than we used to. But where the real changes happen is here in the kitchen. You can see that the granite countertops are fully exposed. Our new backsplash is fully in place. And we've got the new knobs on most of the cabinets. So the kitchen is coming along really good right now. We are almost done with it. So the first floor, except for lighting, is just about finished. Upstairs is where we'll go next and check that out. So up here, a lot of exciting stuff has happened. If you look, this is a brand new air handler. We've also got the AC unit outside, so that's all brand new, this whole space. It's still hot in here right now, but soon, when all the insulation's in place, it's gonna be cool as a cucumber up here, no more sweating up here. These right here, these are called ceiling baffles. Those, when you have a space where you're putting insulation right up against the decking of the roof, you need this baffle in place because that's going to keep it from pressing against that roof decking and prevent you from having moisture between the roof and the insulation. It's just a step that makes the roof more weather tight and perform better. And it's something that's required. So there you go. So if you look at this, looks like cotton candy all over the place. You can hear no more echo like there was in the other room. We have got tons of insulation up here in the ceiling. We're soon to have it in the walls. All new ductwork through here. It won't be long. They'll be able to start putting drywall up in this space. And once the drywall goes up, we'll be able to turn that beautiful air conditioner on and feel nice and cool up here. So it is coming along very quickly. Next time you see it, I don't think you're going to recognize it.